Are professional athletes overpaid? Let's look at some numbers. So we have a list of normal everyday jobs and their average annual salaries. For example, a doctor, they make $189,000 a year on average. For nurses, it's around $68,000 a year. For teachers, it's around $50,000 a year. For military officers, $80,000. Police officers, $61,000. Firefighters, $45,000. And garbage collectors is also around $45,000. Now let's compare these numbers to athlete jobs. And these athletes that I chose are people who are bench warmers, people who don't normally get in the game. So for someone who doesn't get much playing time in the NBA, their minimum salary would be around $543,000. For someone in the MLB with the same situation would be almost the same, $507,000 a year. And someone in the NFL is also $500,000. Now let's look at these numbers compared to each other. I would say that athletes are overpaid.